Pero yung mga advisors niya, not your problem.
Tina.
If you want to help, help. If it's social problem, then look at it in the aspect of a social problem. Then you begin to dig why, how it blossomed into something out of control. That is the way how to look at it. Sila na rin may sabi, it's a social problem, so extrajudicial killing, blah, 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 blah. So, do not just look at the figures of those who died. They are not even... Sino doon? There are thousands. You mean to say that all of them died extrajudicially? What day was it? Where? How? Tapos gang with the sweeping statement, oh, this is the figure given by itong yellow on the left. Ganoon lang, papakita sa iyo. Eh kung ipakita ko yung listahan doon sa cemetery sa Davao, ilan na nilibing doon, maniwala rin sila. It's a very dangerous cliffhanger ka dyan to say na 7,000. Wala nga sila dito. No record of the burial in the cemetery. No police record. No nothing. And you just conclude that it is extrajudicial killing. Oh, whatever happen to the rule of law of your country. Are you not supposed to find out? Are you not supposed to give the suspects due process? And you just say outright, extrajudicial killing. Is that how you behave? Yan ba ang tinuro nila sa atin? Our Constitution is copied from the Constitution. It provides everything. Due process, the right to be heard before you make the accusation in public. The right to ask me before you reprimand me like what Obama did. So, tingnan mo, what he got in return was a very sarcastic. Well, you know, just because you are president of you do not have the right to just conclude things and criticize people. For after all, we all have our sordid histories and we have our own massacres to remember.
Sir,
and the passage of time does not make it right. When it was wrong then, it is still wrong now.
Sir,
Tina Mendez.
sa meeting niyo po with President Trump, paano po kung ma-bring up po yung position ng US naman sa South China Sea na magkaroon ng freedom of navigation sa areas ng South China Sea?
Dito sa ASEAN, we all just wanted a code of conduct so that we would know. I said because China by now should realize that they have really militarized the area. So ano yung pagkakamali? What are the things that we should avoid so that we can avoid also the missiles that would follow us? So what are the things that would irritate you? The code of conduct is very important. I'm not criticizing China. I'm just telling them that it is high time for us to have that code of conduct of the sea. So alam namin kung paano. Now, I don't have to start claiming the islands there. Sabi niya, pinaalis kayo dyan sa ano. Because of this moment, when they heard it, sabi ng Taiwan, you would also start building. Then you start Irokos, which you cannot control anymore.
Sir, paano po kung sabihin po ng President Trump kung kailangan nyo ng tulong bilang bilang ally namin sa defense, tutulungan namin kayo sa West Philippines?
Well, I told them what kind of help because... No, I will not ask any military help to wage war against China. China is a friend. A friend in need is a friend indeed. Hindi mo naman mapaalis dyan except to go to war. We are not, I said, Filipinos ready for that. In the fullness of God's time, maybe we will have an interesting arrangement there. But it will depend on the people of China how far they would go. But we are asking for the minimum. Kaya nga, while we were looking at the evolving threat dito na sa ano, nawala tayo, then suddenly, the islands, the clusters of islands are full of military batteries. Battery is actually the arms.
Okay. Pros, cons, UNTV.
Hi sir, good evening po sir.
Good evening.
Bukas po nakatakda din po yung bilateral meeting nyo po with Russian President Vladimir Putin. Aside po sa follow-up meeting nyo po, nun pong bumisita kayo sa Russia and chance din po na magbigay ng pasasalamat sa tulong ng Russia sa Marawi crisis, may iba pa pong particular topic of discussion sa inyo pong pagpupulong?
Wala. Actually, I was planning to go to Russia for just a few hours and to thank them for their help. The timely help. Kasi, baski nasabihin niya, it came during the days when there was the waning of violence. Still, the replacements, kasi yung mga gastado na yung mga baril natin, and the new guns are really a welcome sight so that we can replace the guns who are really overfired, if I may use the term. Sobra na ang dumaang bala sa bore. Every time when it's supersonic speed, it melts and if you do it in automatic, it eats into the metallurgy yan.
So you intend to go back to Russia?
No, hindi na. But I was planning. But kasi I was planning after that, just a few hours to say, President Putin, salamat po. Yun lang. You know, they should know that we nurture gratitude, tayong mga Pilipino. So, same with China and America and Israel. Ito yung pinagkautangan ko ng loob. Ito yung kinausap ko. Ito yung nagpahiram sa ating ng mga equipments, you know, the things that can see the enemy far beyond the clouds, parang ganon. Those were just borrowed items. It's back in their possession now. But they allowed us. But the most important thing also is that the United States had allowed us to use the modern equipments of warfare. Wala akong ano. At as of this time, I would say that I am okay with everybody. With China, it was not a criticism. It was just a warning because marami na kasing baril. There are so plenty of guns there. And they must have use. And the use is really very obvious. So if they are there, we should know what is the conduct that they would like to be. If it is an imposed one, then we will say just can we just talk it over and make it a friendly settlement there? Anyway, we don't intend to harm. No war at this time. Wala eh. Pag nakuha natin yan, ang Taiwan na naman ang problema natin. So, sa China, magsabi siya, sige, bahala na kayo dyan. So, mag-away tayo ng China. Then, same with Vietnam. Then, I'll have to negotiate with Malaysia. And then, Indonesia. They're all our friends. What am I supposed to do? Start a quarrel that I cannot control? You know, ideas are great. Especially people who also said who make pillows out of their books. Yung tinutulugan lang yung libro nila, yun ang ginagawa nila ng unan. Okay yan sila. Hanggang dyan lang yan. Paggising sa umaga, nandyan yung libro, nandyan yung utak nila. Pero sila ang papuntahin mo. You have to make practical decisions now. I cannot be reckless and say, oh sige, gira tayo. Can we afford it? No. Lives? No. I will not. bakit ko sayangan yung